I think it's so special to be here because it's away from everything. It's one house only next to the sea. You have the ocean in front of you, the mountains, and it's just wide space, wide area, and I like this.
Þjóðverinn Martin Varga uppgötaði tungulending á Tjörnesi fyrir nokkrum árum síðan og heillaðist algjörlega. Kannski ekki nema von því húsið er staðsett á einstökum stað, rétt norðan við Húsavík, en hefur staðið autt í rúman áratug.
As far as I know, the house was built in the 50s and it was used to get krausleppa or fish on land, and they processed the eggs, the caviar. And I think it was used until 2002 or something like this, and then they closed it down.
And now you're gonna bring back life to the house. Tell us about your plans.
Yes, I hope to bring some life into Tungulending again. My plan is to open a guest house and a cafe, coffee place. And I think also it's possible to offer some more activities because we are close to the sea. People can just enjoy the place here.
Endurbætur á húsinu sem 180 fermetrar að stærð og 2 hæðum eiga að hefjast með vorinu en þær eru unnar í samvinnu við arkitektin Arnhildi Pálmadóttur á Húsavík. Þó áhersla verði lögð á endurnýtingu, kosta framkvæmdirnar sitt, en Martin hefur leitað óhefðbundinna leiða til þess að fjármagna verkefnið.
I had some money myself, not so much. But the idea was to involve a lot of people in this project. And nowadays it's possible to create a crowdfunding campaign. It's very simple. You just have to put it online and explain your project and hope that a lot of people will donate a little amount of money. So finally you get not all what you need, but part of it.
Fjöldafjármögnunin fyrir tungulendingu á netinu tókst afar vel og náði Martin að safna ríflega 3 milljónum í verkefnið sem sýnir að hugmyndin framtíð tungulendingar heillar fleiri en bara þennan framtakssama Þjóðverja sem hefur verið með annan fótinn á Húsavík síðan 2006. Og ef allt gengur á óskum, verður bæði hægt að gista og drekka kaffi í tungulendingu hjá Martin og kærustu hans sumarið 2015.
At the beginning I was a little bit worried. Because I'm foreign, I'm not from this area here. But people in Tjörnes or from Tjörnes, they are very, very helpful, very kind, very open. So I got a lot of support from the community, and I think everyone is excited and want to see what I'm going to do out of Tungulending.